You are going to love the 2020 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, leather upholstery, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, ashtray, first aid kit. Come see the car for yourself.